Eurocontrol presents Boarding Pass.
How can military and civil airspaces be better coordinated to keep flights over Europe safer? To find out, we're at this military base in the Netherlands, a country whose airspace is one of the more dense and complex in the world. This is the Air Operations Control Station of the Royal Netherlands Air Force. This is where every day hundreds of military and civil flights are controlled, and it's where future military traffic controllers train. The station shares its data with and gets access to civil aircraft tracks and flight plans over Belgium, the Netherlands and Luxembourg, as well as parts of Germany. The fully automated system eases up communication between civil and military air traffic controllers.
It reduces the room for misunderstanding. Now they look at the system. So everything I put in, which should be correct and is, they can see it correctly. This goes for flight plans, but also for activation or deactivation of military areas. So we can tell them in time and we can put it in the system, and that always should be the same. And if it isn't, it will be filtered out very quickly.
Experts here at the Maastricht Upper Area Control Centre developed the automation system that's shared by different service providers. A closer understanding between civil and military controllers is said to increase safety and efficiency in European skies. Technical challenges were huge.
The operations that we are doing is what we call real-time operations. So what you see on the screen is what is real-time happening. And of course, if you start to remote the technical services at a certain distance, there is going to be a time slack. And the question is whether that is going to be acceptable for the controller. But with modern technologies, that is no longer a limitation.
The project has been expanded to a civil airspace 1,000 kilometers away from the Netherlands. We're at Ljubljana Airport in Slovenia. Last year, hundreds of thousands of flights were controlled from Slovenian airspace. Controllers show just how feasible the system is. And increased safety is not the only good expected outcome.
Cost efficiency by reducing the size of the existing systems, by optimization of the system elements that are currently used in Europe, will definitely reduce the size of investments needed, as well as reduce the maintenance and further development costs of the system, which of course consequently should as well link to the possible reduction of the air tickets for normal passengers.
If everything goes to plan, Slovenian controllers say the system could be fully implemented in Slovenia by 2021.
Boarding Pass, brought to you by Eurocontrol.